Yeah, I need to get new brackets so bad for my bumper. I've been using this tape method, bro. We're out here in Ramona. Sammy's car finally just got done getting painted. That shit actually looks like way better than how it did before and has a good sparkle to it. But I'm just gonna move my car over there, and then Sammy has to slap on like all his fenders, bumpers and everything, and then we're gonna get headed home.
What, should I say we do like say put the fenders on first and the hood? Yeah, well I told that dude up there who's painting right now, I was like, we'll put on shit like, just put it on with the bolts. Yeah. He was like, where are the bolts at? I'm like, they're inside somewhere. He's like, oh, like, he basically told me like, put it together, like put the bolts in. And he said he'll come down to like, just square it the best he can. I bet. But he was like, where are the bolts for the fenders in? Bro, I'll try to paint the bro. But why that shit so fucking big?
Well, cause like when that, well, I do like it long, but like when I had the bumper on, it's not as long, you know. Like, it's like
oh yeah. I was saying, bro, when I painted Sean's bumper and took it off, like his shit was not that big.
Yeah, no, cause I got my shit extended down.
That's why I'm like, what the fuck? It's fine now. Everything's on, bro. It's just the eye this That's your girl camera.
Update. Both fenders are now on. Sammy just bolted the other one down. The fitment is crazy good though. He already scuffed his bumper like a rookie.
Dude, for real, I should have listened to you and just took it off.
You're the one who told me to put it on.
No, I didn't. Yes.
He said, oh, you could probably put my front bumper on because that's easy. Yeah, here's Sean's side skirt. We're actually gonna destroy it after this. We hate Sean because he doesn't want to pull up.
You don't pull up on us, bro.
Yeah, El Sean, he doesn't want to pull up. He lives like 30 minutes away. El Sean. And tonight we're going out for the homie Chris's birthday. This fool does not want to drive like 20 minutes longer to mob it with the homies. Nismo'S starting to look crazy again. Once skirts go on, it's kind of like nuts. Hey, the next version of Superstar bucket seats is coming soon, and Sammy's gonna put one in the driver's seat. I'm not spoiling it or anything, but I'm not sure what color I'm thinking.
Why should I put this on? We actually fucked that.
Nah, I think I'm fine. Think you're a bitch. Transformer car. No, kit on. Shit looks crazy. We need to hit that self wash.
Yeah.
You need to make this shiny. They just discontinued these.
They did, yeah, you saw that TikTok?
Yeah.
Bro's updated on the Z lore.
Rare. Hit him up, 5K.
I'll give you a discount to get them today, 3.5. 2.4 to pay for the, actually, 4.4 to pay for the paint.
No, once you wash that shit, it's gonna look crazy.
Bro, make sure to buy some black. Or like, dude, like Sean did.
Bro, we're finally done. That shit took forever. It's literally like 6:30 right now. But yeah, we're about to just mob at home, get some food, and then we'll see. I've been having a dead fun all day, bro. Bruh, this.
Niggas try to use their feet, I guess they ran up out of luck.